Hey there. Ever wonder how AI can turn a simple sentence like, a dragon flying over a sunset, into a stunning image, or tweak a photo with just a few words? The magic behind this is called AI image generation and editing, and it's evolving faster than ever. Let's dive into the cutting-edge tech making this possible. At the heart of this revolution is a fundamental challenge, teaching AI to understand the link between text and visuals. Imagine asking an AI to draw a happy cat and getting a confused-looking feline instead. That's where tools like GENEVAL come in. Think of it as a quality control system for AI art, ensuring the cat actually looks joyful, not confused. But this is just the beginning. The real breakthroughs lie in multimodal models, systems that process text, images, and even their relationships. Most AI models are like specialists, one for reading, one for drawing, one for editing. But tools like Ovis-U1 are game changers. They act as a jack of all trades, generating images from text, editing photos, and even understanding context across modalities. It's like giving a single model the skills of a digital artist, photo editor, and storyteller. Here's where it gets technical. Instead of training separate models for each task, Ovis-U1 uses a unified architecture. Think of it as teaching a child to both read a book and write their own story. By linking these skills during training, the model becomes better at both. This approach is why Ovis-U1 scores 69.6 on academic benchmarks, outperforming models like Ristretto 3B and Sale VL152B. It's not just smart, it's efficient, using fewer parameters to achieve better results. How does it create those vivid images? Let's break it down. Ovis-U1 employs a diffusion-based visual decoder, a process that starts with random noise and gradually adds details, like a painter building a masterpiece layer by layer. It also uses a bidirectional token refiner, which acts as a quality control check. This component ensures the image matches your description exactly, whether you're asking for a sunset over a mountain lake or a robot wearing a top hat. The results? Impressive. In text-to-image generation, Ovis-U1 scores 83.72 on the DPG bench and 0.89 on GENEVAL, numbers that rival models with way more parameters. For editing, it's a standout, swapping a yacht with a balloon, removing a chair, or adjusting colors. It nails it, scoring 4 and 6.42 on specialized tests. It's like giving AI a paintbrush and a scalpel, precision and creativity in one package. But how do these models learn? Enter hybrid datasets, AI's ultimate textbook. Projects like Seed Data Edit mix different types of data, teaching AI to handle everything from tiny details, like a flower's petal texture, to big picture changes, like swapping a cityscape for a forest. This is why today's AI can edit a photo's background without messing up the main subject. But how do we know if AI is actually improving? That's where tools like Hallusionbench step in. They catch hallucinations when AI makes stuff up. For example, if you ask for a blue car and it draws a red one, this tool flags the error. It's like a fact checker for AI creativity, keeping things honest. Looking ahead, researchers are building unified systems that handle all image tasks, generation, editing, even storytelling, with one model. Imagine an AI that can turn your rough sketch into a masterpiece or fix a blurry photo with a single command. And with advances in multimodal understanding, AI is getting better at reading between the lines, like recognizing emotions in a face or understanding cultural context in a scene. This isn't just about cooler filters or faster photo edits. It's about reshaping how we create, collaborate, and even remember. From restoring old family photos to designing virtual worlds, these tools are turning imagination into reality, one prompt at a time. So next time you see AI create or edit an image, remember, it's powered by clever science, huge datasets, and a whole lot of curiosity. What will you dream up next? Keep exploring, stay curious, and let's make magic together. See you in the next video.